Hello everyone, welcome back to SPR World. Today in this tutorial, we will discussing one of the most commonly asked interview questions in the field of automation testing, the difference between page object model and page factory. Page object model is a design pattern in Selenium test automation that creates a separate class for each web page. In page object model, create a separate class for each web page. Each class, known as page object, encapsulates the web page elements and actions, providing an interface for interacting with the page. Page object model is a design pattern used in Selenium where we create an object repository to store web elements. Page factory. Page factory is an enhancement to the page object model provided by Selenium. In page factory, you define web elements with the find by annotation. Page factory is a class provided by Selenium WebDriver to support page object design pattern. In page factory, tester define and find by annotation. This is the difference between page object model and page factory. Finding web elements using by in page object model, find web element by using by, while in page factory, finding web elements using at the rate annotation, find by. Page object model does not provide lazy initialization, but page factory does provide lazy initialization. In page object model is a design pattern. Page factory is a class that implements the page object model design pattern. In page object model, one needs to initialize every page object individually. In page object model, you need to define every page object individually. But in page factory, all pages objects are initialized by using the IRetryAnalyzer method. This is the form implementation with page factory and without page factory. Uses by and page factory uses at the rate find by. In page object model, use by, while in page factory, use at the rate annotation find by. In page object model, no imports needed, but in page factory, imports package factory, and in page object model, no cache storage, but here in page factory, cache backups is faster. In page factory, easy initialization of web elements. With page factory, you can use at the rate annotations find by to declare the web elements directly with the page objects class. This annotation are used to locate element on the web page using various locators like ID, name, and XPath. Page factory automatically initialize the web elements when the page object is instantiated, eliminating the used for explicit elements initialization. Page factory supports lazy initialization, in which page factory provides lazy initializations of web elements, meaning the elements are initialized only their access are interacted with the code. In page factory, you can improve the code readability. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you find this explanation helpful and it clarified any doubts you had about these two concepts. If you have any questions or suggestions for further videos, please leave them in the comments below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to SPF World.